Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Do Bonsai. I'm Scott Winard. Today is the 6th of October. The year is drawing to an end. It's absolutely flown this year, it's ridiculous. Just over a week ago we had Caz Scott to the club, the South Yorkshire Bonsai Society Club, and she gave a presentation on, you know, pines and things like that, that being her specialist subject, and she delivered an absolutely fantastic presentation. She was brilliant. I took a lot away from it, and I know lots of others took so much away from it. We videoed the presentation, so I'm going to show you a little bit of that shortly. But to mark the end of the camping business that was happening for a while, I've closed that down. I'm going to go down to Greenwoods today. The chairman of the club, Graham's, picking me up around about 10:30, so by the time we've done and dusted down there, we might squeeze in a bit of lunch. That'll be nice. But my aim is to go and get a Scots Pine from down there at Greenwood, so it'll be a Scots Pine, and hopefully with the knowledge gained from Caz, I'll be able to look after it nicely and well. So armed with all that information, let's get down to Greenwoods and get a really good Scots Pine. Before we go, what I'd like to do is show you a little package. Ryan sent out a few care gift packages not so long back, and mine arrived, but I never really showed what was in it, and I'd never really had a full 100% look. So eyes down, looking, this is what we got. So here's our nice little package from Ryan, and I knew about the squeezy bottle sprayer. He'd shown these previously to us on our group chats, so we'll get that in use later on today. That screws onto the top of the bottle, and then you've got a pumping action and then a trigger for spraying. That's going to be nice and interesting. He sent me some chopsticks that can go with my collection of chopsticks that I've got. I've got pretty much one of every colour, and this will add to the silver ones that I've got. I do like them. They're really nice, and they're nice to hold and very good. And then what more could I ask for? A fridge magnet. Thanks, Ryan. I know you said it was only a joke, but that's nice, that, mate. Thank you. And then a sticker. This is a gift to my buddy Scott from Houghton Bonsai. You're my buddy too, mate. I love you to bits. Thank you very much for that care package. I look forward to receiving the nurse's uniform one day. Will he send it? I don't know. Should I wear it? God knows. Let's get down to Greenwoods. So here we are, we've made it to Greenwood Gardens, the Greenwood Bonsai Nursery. Let's go inside and head on in and see if we can spot something suitable to purchase. Later on this month, on the 28th and 29th, we've got the grand reopening of Greenwoods Nursery, so this will be a little bit of a precursor of what you can expect to see when you come down. Over here, right? An array of pots for sale, shelves and shelves and shelves of pots. So this is the new shop area. Check Corinne out on YouTube. And then some tools down the other side here. of course the wire caddies. So we've made it out to the benches, and we're in amongst the pines, the Japanese white pines, some larch, the Japanese black pine there. I don't think that's in my price range. Some starter material, junipers, an oak that's been here for quite a while. So during the opening, the reopening of Greenwood Bonsai with the new build that's gone on, there's going to be some special offers and deals to be had, so I'm just wondering whether I should keep my money in my pocket for a week or two and come in and maybe go mad on the 28th, 29th. Let's see if anything takes our eye, and if there's anything that we do fancy that we can take now, obviously we will. But failing that, I think we might save the money until the opening. Some nice Japanese white pines there. Some cotoneasters. Lots of pre-stuff, lots of larch. Lots and lots of larch, Japanese larch. 10 quid a pop, £9.50, can't go wrong. And then lots of other starter bits. Have a little look down this aisle. Some more larch there. And then we've got some real trees. Some beauties. DeSojo maples. Could always get a DeSojo. Another Japanese black pine in there. Lots of aces. Look at that. How lovely is that? Some awesome trees here to be had. And of course, coming from Greenwood, you know they've been looked after. You can buy yourself an instant show tree. Azalea, another black pine, and then lots of small azaleas. Yeah, and there's more incoming, that's the thing. I'm looking here now to think about getting a Scots Pine, and I might be a little bit disappointed if I come on the 28th, 29th as I plan to, and it's all happened. There's a Scots Pine on the end there, a decent size, that's had some good styling work to it. Some more junipers up there. Lots of pre-bonsai junipers, all with some good twisty trunks. Look at that, that's really good. Possibilities are fantastic. Some little starter ones there for £55. You know, it's all just the right money. Japanese white pine, cork bark, black pine. Hey Ryan, look, ginkgo. I know Ryan loves a ginkgo. And another ginkgo. Lots of junipers, absolutely loads and loads and loads of junipers. A lot of stuff getting its autumn colours. Awesome, absolutely awesome. Nice Japanese white pine. Absolutely loads to go at. Have a quick look down the aisles before I have a more serious look. And then the indoor bonsai. For those of you who can't grow on the outside, you've got lots of olives, Chinese holly that does well inside, Chinese yew, more olives, more olives, more olives, Chinese elm, more and more and more and more. Lots of stuff here. I'm going to go a little bit deeper, get my hands dirty, and I'll see you in a bit if I actually decide to grab something. Can't wait to see what's going to be in that cupboard on the 28th and 29th. Some interesting tools coming to Greenwoods. Right, I think we're heading out empty-handed, not even wire, so I can't wire my trees in. although next to the fire alarm system, which strangely my eyes were attracted to, there is a wire starter kit. Some 1mm, 1.5, 2mm and 2.5 for a tenner. I think that might have my name all over it, so I can learn wiring. The entrance will have changed by the time you come. There's going to be some bedding going in there. Some interesting things going on. So that's going to do it. Back down the driveway, empty-handed. Possibly go for some lunch. And see you all back at base. As a little footnote to our visit, it's Corinne's birthday today, so happy birthday, Corinne. It will not be your birthday by the time this video goes out, but many happy returns.